At Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences, the comprehensive curriculum of the Faculty of Life and Allied Health Sciences is grounded with the fundamentals of the discipline and designed to meet contemporary industry challenges with the advancements and updates in respective fields.
Faculty of Life and Allied Health Sciences is truly a multidisciplinary institution within the Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences with a strong focus on education, interdisciplinary training and research. We offer programs, bachelor's, honors, masters and doctoral programs as well under biotechnology, molecular biology, food process and technology, food nutrition dietetics, allied health sciences namely cardiac care technology, medical radio imaging technology, dialysis therapy, optometry and operation and anesthesia technology. More recent additions are public health and hospital administration. In addition to that, we offer a range of fellowships and specializations as well.
The students are guided on their academic and professional journeys by experienced faculty members who leverage their knowledge to ensure the best path forward for their students.
I'm Dr. Rohini Keshava, Head of the Department of Biotechnology. We have state-of-the-art labs and we have highly qualified faculty, and we have a curriculum that is multidisciplinary with a high research focus. Our constant efforts is to advance research-based teaching, innovation and employability of our students.
We work very closely with our Ramaiah Medical College and hospitals that are very much around within the same campus.
Here we are catering to the students basically outcome-based program. Students are involved in a lot of research. We do have different collaborations with reputed institutes and industries like Majumdar Shaw Medical Foundation, HCG Life Sciences and so on. Students are doing individual projects here and across the country in different national labs. Placement is one of the key things in our department. Students are placed in various reputed companies and students are also going for abroad for higher studies.
The strong focus on practical application ensures that learning is promoted in the well-equipped labs and facilities.
Most of our faculty are a PhD or a postdoc from very eminent institutions both from India and across the world. We bring a lot of interest in applied research and we encourage our students to partake in research and publications as well. Many of our faculty, though we have been around for the last 3 years, have already been awarded with grants from ICMR and DBT, and we hope we will have more in the years to come. We have tie-ups with international universities such as University of Illinois, Chicago, which is closely working with the Life and Health Sciences section of MS Ramaiah University, as well as International Infectious Disease and Global Health Training Program of University of Manitoba. What I would like to tell the students and parents out there who are still making their decision is health scenario and life sciences applications in the health is only going to get more relevant and more complex in the days to come. And the students need a multidisciplinary exposure both in terms of education and research. And Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences as well as Faculty of Life and Allied Health Sciences is geared up to meet these needs of tomorrow.
The students are guided on their academic and professional journeys by experienced faculty members who leverage their knowledge to ensure the best path forward for their students.